12-step program to quit you, baby. I'm on a 12-step program to quit you, baby. I'm tired of whining and pacing the floor. I ain't gonna do it no more. On my 12-step program to quit you, baby. Step one, I'm gonna tear your picture down. Step two, I'm gonna move the room around. Step three, I'm gonna walk out the door, go looking for number four. On my 12-step program to quit you, baby. Step five, I will acquire a whole new jive. Step six, and a brand new bag of tricks. Step seven, if it's not too late, help me get to number 8 on my 12-step program to quit you, baby. Well, a little taste is all that it took to get me willing, truly hooked. Take a look at my arm, you won't find a track, but I'm suffering, baby, while I've got you on my back. Step 9, I'm gonna pick out a place to dine. Step 10 will begin after we get in. Step 9 be a miracle from heaven if I ever get past 11 on my 12-step program to quit you, baby. On my 12-step program to quit you, baby. I can't quit you, baby. I can't stop loving you, baby. I can't stop. I can't stop. I can't stop. No. How many girls choose cotton dress worlds when they could have satins and lace? Yeah, stand by her man through good times and bad, still keep a smile on her face. And how many hearts could face the winters we know and still not turn cold? True love travels on a gravel road. Now love is a stranger and hearts are in danger. On smooth streets it will go. True love travels on a gravel road. Down through the years we've had hard times and tears, but it only makes our love grow. And we'll stay together no matter how hard the wind blows. Now once have I seen your blue eyes fill with envy and stray from the warmth that they hold. True love travels on a gravel road. love travels on a gravel. True love travels on a gravel road. And it's gonna be rough sometimes, but I want to travel on